the scientist who stopped a global pandemic and was ignored. The story of Dr. Ignaz Semmelweis in the 1840s, hospitals across Europe were facing a horrifying mystery. Women giving birth in maternity wards, especially in teaching hospitals, were dying in huge numbers from something called childbed fever. In some clinics, the death rate was over 10%. Enter Dr. Ignaz Semmelweis, a Hungarian physician working at the Vienna General Hospital. Semmelweis noticed something strange. There were two maternity wards, one run by doctors and medical students, and the other by midwives. The midwife-run clinic had a much lower death rate. After months of observation, he realized the doctors often came straight from autopsies to the delivery room without washing their hands. His solution? Simple yet revolutionary. He ordered all doctors to wash their hands in a chlorinated lime solution before touching patients. The result? Deaths dropped by over 90%. It was undeniable. Semmelweis had discovered the power of hand hygiene decades before germ theory was widely accepted. The tragic twist: you'd think his discovery would have changed medicine forever, but it didn't. Most of the medical establishment mocked and rejected him. They found it insulting to suggest that they learned doctors were causing death with dirty hands. Semmelweis grew increasingly frustrated and angry. He was eventually dismissed from his position, institutionalized, and died in an asylum, ironically, from an infection. It wasn't until years later, when Louis Pasteur and Joseph Lister advanced germ theory, that the world realized Semmelweis had been right all along. Why this story matters? Today, hand washing is a basic part of medicine and public health. But it took decades and the tragic fate of one brilliant man to make the world listen. Dr. Ignaz Semmelweis is now known as the savior of mothers. And his story is a powerful reminder that truth in science isn't always immediately accepted, especially when it challenges pride, tradition, or power. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.